What's up, guys? Mr. K here. I'm going to show you how to basically going to run through our first project with you. We're going to click on Finder. We're going to go to Applications, scroll down to GarageBand, double click on the app. When you open it, you're going to get this screen. We're going for today. We're going to click Empty Project. Hit Choose. You get to this screen, Audio, click Microphone, hit Create. Alright, real quick configuration. Follow me here. We're going to go over to the upper right hand corner. We're going to hit Loop, the Apple Loops button. And we're going to come down here and we're going to close this, drag and close that little section there. So now we have just two sections. We're going to keep it simple here. Your first object that you want to do here, the first objective you want to do here is change your display so that it reads beats and time. And we're going to create a song that's about a minute long. So you can zoom out by either using this slider here or by just use the slider here, because on my laptop I can do it with my fingers, but I don't think you're going to be able to do that. And we're looking for about a minute's worth of material, so it's roughly this lighted gray area. I have it looks like measure 32, right, all the way up to measure 33. So it's going to say 33 here, 104 right there, and that's our area that we're going to be working with, all right, for this project. First thing I want you to do is select the instrument field. We're going to pick, this is our loop pack here. So this here is a filter, and I can even drag it down so that you can see everything there. And we're going to click, first thing we're going to start off with is our drums. And from here you can pick any drum loop that you want. You can narrow down your selection by selecting more of these items here, and it'll narrow it down. But for now, we're just going to keep all drums blue. Alright, and then you can scroll down here and you can listen to some of these beats. You click on, you're only going to be able to hear the ones that are not grayed out, so the ones that are highlighted. Click on it once to listen to it, click on it again to stop it. Alright, so let's say you came up, you really liked the barricade beat, whatever. I'm just using this as an example. What you're going to do is you're going to drop it, drag it and drop it to the very beginning. Make sure you're lined up at 1. Okay, and you have two hotkeys that you're going to want to use is enter and return, which brings your scrubber, which is this guy, back to the beginning. You can use the space bar to play and pause. Okay, so right there's my loop. As you can see, it's only going to last about 4 measures. So I can change that by going in the upper right hand corner, not the lower left hand corner. You can see that the icon changes depending on where you are. Go to the upper right hand corner, drag it. I'm going to keep that beat for about 4, I'm going to loop it for a total of 4 times. And you can see where they begin and end, and there's little divots there. Okay. At that point, I'll put another beat in. And when I'm changing my drum beat, I want to make sure that I'm not overlapping the old drum beat for this project. Finish your first beat, put a second beat in. Alright? And take that one to the end. So you're going to have 2 drum beats, 1 and 2, and they got to be different. Right? And one's going to stop here, and the other one picks up where that one left off. That's for your drums. Alright? Your project must also have, click the X so that it clears out your search filter. You're also going to need a bass. Click on a bass. Again, I'm just blindly picking one. Alright, and You can have your bass in there for a little bit. Get a second bass if you want. Alright, have that guy go along with your other drum beat if you want. For here, I'm just going to keep it simple and have one bass for this drum beat, one bass for this drum beat. Alright, after that, one rhythmic instrument like a piano or a guitar, any kind of piano or synth, electric piano, organ, any kind of guitar will do. Okay, and then you're just going to put this in anywhere you want. Okay, this is going to be up to you. But make sure it lines up with a divot or on one of these lines, okay? Don't just like plop it anywhere. Trying to line it up as best you can, alright? And if you're welcome to add as many as you want and really take it to town, you know, whatever you want to do. But I want to see drums, bass, some kind of rhythm, either guitar or piano here. Alright? That's it. When you press play, you can listen to it. Alright, check it out. Over here is these are all the tracks that you used. You notice how I stacked them on top of each other. Do not put your tracks on the same track as someone else, as another track. Keep them separate. That way you can control the volume separately. You can control the panning separately. You can mute them separately. You'll just have more control over your own sounds. If you have two sounds on the same track, when you go to turn the volume down, you'll be turning the volume down for both of those sounds. So keep them separate. It should look something like this. Okay. When you're done, make sure you save it the way that I explained in the tutorial. You can save the project file by clicking File, Save As. Make sure you save it to the desktop, and you can make an MP3 by exporting song to disk under Share. One more thing I would like you to do is take a screenshot, and you can do a screenshot by holding down Command-Shift-4, and then you'll see that your cursor is changed. Your arrow is now changed to this like crosshairs. Pick up in the left-hand corner, drag and drop over the rectangular selection over your screen. And you'll see it'll take a screenshot and drop that screenshot. Submit that screenshot in Google Classroom so I can see what your project was, and also submit the MP3 in Google Classroom as well. Alright, good luck, and leave any comments for any questions, and I'll also be in class to help you out. But hopefully this will help. Ciao.